MustangMedic, and we're gonna have a good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. Let's go. Now. That was awesome. There you go. There you go.
Rob's in VIP, so I'm really happy about that. And there is a ton of Mustangs pulling in here at American Muscle. So of course I'm getting excited, but the coffee still hasn't kicked in yet. So we better kick in, right, Rob?
Absolutely, you better kick in. It's
Right.
really fun.
Venom Outlaws. Venom_Outlaws is his club. They're cool in my book, and follow them because they're cool. See, I told you I need coffee. I need coffee. I'm out of coffee, Rob. Somebody was messing with us, and I'm not going to say the joke because he got us good, but you know who you are. You know who you are. All right, hey, guys, look at this. American Muscle. Not only are there beautiful cars, but there's beautiful women. So you should be here right now. I'm going to put this on Instagram as a public service to you. You can meet these girls, and yes, you can buy tickets on it. That's it.
I raffle tickets.
But only tickets, right?
Only from us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so tired. I'm talking to this cool guy, and I'm like, is it okay if we're on video after I started shooting video? So I apologize. What's your name?
Chris Mustachio.
Chris Mustachio. What's your business? Talk about the crane thing. Talk about the crane thing.
The crane is Amquip, but that's a local 542.
Okay.
Union out of Philadelphia.
He's a union guy, and look what he brought. How cool is that? Well, that was an interesting pan, wasn't it?
It was.
See,
I didn't know where it was going.
Everybody's watching the videos are probably falling down.
I'm
Whoa!
like, where's that thing going?
Anyways, cool guy, and guess what he's got at home? Tell him.
I have a Coyote with a supercharger.
Oh, tell him about the
chassis dyno.
He's got a dyno at home. So he dynos things when his friend. Now don't go making friends with him so you get dynoed. But I just had
to mind. It's me and my partner Nick Edelman, who a lot of guys know from online. He had the GT1350 race car, and he also had a nice 15 he built before, and he does other projects.
Cool. This guy's like he's from the West Coast. He's talking to you like you're here. That's pretty cool, isn't it?
They will be.
Most East Coast are like, I'm gonna be on video. No, I'm not making fun of anybody in the East Coast. I'm sorry.
They might know because I do videos for Vortex.
Oh, now it all makes sense. All right.
The best supercharger company on the market, the most reliable, proven horsepower.
Nice. I love promoters. All right, so I'm gonna do a pan, and you guys can see.
A show?
I can't say the word I want. I know I can't say the word I want to use because I'm a PG channel. A lot of Mustangs. Check it out.
They're just piling in. This thing will be packed.
Yeah. So, well, I gotta suck in my gut if you're gonna take a picture of me. Look at this. Look at this. Huh? It's just starting. Here it goes. And God bless America. Hey, look at that. Oh, God bless America. We're just waiting for the national anthem, and then it's gonna kick off. And this is your Mustang dream, American Muscle. Out here in beautiful Pennsylvania. I'm getting a lot more respect for the East Coast now. And look at all these Mustangs.
Mustang show is like 90% in the books.